Hello IG Garage family, are you seeing the P0175 code pop up on your dashboard? This could mean your car is running too rich on fuel in one of its fuel injectors. In this video, we'll cover what P0175 means and why it matters, the location of the O2 sensor and other key components involved, and how to diagnose and fix it. Make sure to stick around till the end for my video suggestions on P0390, which is the camshaft position sensor, and P0191, the fuel rail pressure sensor. Let's dive in. The P0175 code indicates that your engine is running too rich, meaning the engine is receiving too much fuel and not enough air. This can lead to poor fuel economy, increased emissions, and potential engine damage if not fixed in time. The Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, sets this code when it detects that the fuel mixture is excessively rich for an extended period. Symptoms of P0175 include check engine light or CL, poor fuel economy, rough idle or stalling, increased exhaust smoke, often black smoke, and engine hesitation or misfires. Common causes of P0175. First, a faulty oxygen sensor. The O2 sensor monitors the air-fuel mixture and may be sending incorrect data to the PCM. Next, clogged fuel injectors. Fuel injectors may be leaking or stuck open, causing excess fuel to be sprayed into the engine. Then, a faulty mass airflow (MAF) sensor. A malfunctioning MAF sensor can give the PCM inaccurate airflow data, leading to incorrect fuel mixture calculations. Also, a leaking fuel pressure regulator. A damaged fuel pressure regulator can cause excess fuel pressure, affecting the air-fuel ratio. Finally, a faulty fuel pump. An overactive fuel pump can also contribute to too much fuel being injected into the system. Oxygen sensor location. The oxygen sensors play a crucial role in regulating the air-fuel mixture. For a P0175 code, the problem usually lies with the OBD-II sensor, which can be either the upstream pre-catalytic converter, or downstream post-catalytic converter, O2 sensor, upstream O2 sensor, pre-cat. This sensor is located before the catalytic converter, typically on the exhaust manifold or on the exhaust pipe. It monitors the amount of oxygen in the exhaust gases, helping the engine computer adjust the fuel-to-air ratio. Downstream O2 sensor, post-cat. This sensor is located after the catalytic converter and primarily monitors the efficiency of the converter, though it can also help identify rich lean conditions when there's an issue upstream. Fuel injectors and MAF sensor. Fuel injectors are located on the intake manifold and deliver fuel into the combustion chambers. Leaking or faulty injectors can lead to a rich mixture. The MAF sensor is typically located near the air intake system, usually between the air filter and the throttle body. It measures the volume and density of air entering the engine, allowing the ECU to adjust the fuel flow accordingly. First, check the O2 sensors. Inspect the upstream O2 sensor for any visible damage or corrosion. Use a multimeter to check for proper voltage and readings from both the upstream and downstream sensors. If the readings are off, it's time to replace the faulty sensor. Next, inspect the fuel injectors. Listen for fuel injector clicks to ensure they are firing correctly. If you notice fuel leakage around the injectors, you may need to clean or replace them. Then, test the MAF sensor. Clean the MAF sensor with a specialized MAF cleaner. If cleaning doesn't help, the sensor may need to be replaced. Also, check the fuel pressure regulator. Inspect the fuel pressure regulator for leaks or damage. If it's leaking fuel, replace it to avoid fuel pressure issues. Finally, reset the code. Once you've inspected and repaired the affected components, use an OBD-II scanner to clear the code. Perform a test drive to see if the issue reoccurs. If the P0175 code comes back, double-check your repairs. So that's the breakdown of P0175. System too rich, OBD-II. A bit of troubleshooting, and you can get your car back in top condition, saving both fuel and money. Before you go, check out these related videos for more car repair advice. First, P0390, camshaft position sensor, OBD-II. Next, P0191, fuel rail pressure sensor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car repair tips and diagnostics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video on IG Garage.